My husband, he's always been that guy who was really fit and healthy. He was always at the beach, surfing, swimming, riding, like every single day. But at the end of 2021, he was rushed to the emergency department. It was all of a sudden too. Like one day he was totally fine. Then like bam, 2 days later, he was like hunched over. He was clutching his chest in pain. He was grey. He was sweating. He couldn't breathe properly. I thought, I'm going to lose him. No one at the hospital was really able to give us any answers. We're both really experienced nurses, so we knew what questions to ask, but we kind of just got brushed off. So we went home with no real help from any doctors. He was in pain every day, and it was all over his body. It was constant migraines, insomnia, breathing problems. We tried all the usual pain type meds, all the things that we knew as nurses, but they just seemed to make him worse. I didn't know how to help fix him. You get to a point where you feel as if you've done everything. I was willing to test anything out. So I chose to give this a test run because it seemed like this weird health tech thing. It seemed to support your entire body, charge it up so it could do what it's designed to do. There's no medications, there was no procedures. It was something that he could use at home, but this was next level type of weird. After 6 weeks of testing this out, it just seemed like he was back to normal again. His chest pain was gone. He wasn't all hunched over. He was actually standing up straight. The swelling in his joints went down. You could visibly see it go down. We have seen what it's like if you don't make your health a priority, looking after sick patients for so many years. We're doing everything that we could to prevent that. If we hadn't found this though, Ben was one of those patients. He could have stayed like that. But this new way that we've found now, it just seems to support our bodies in a way that no other health thing has done before.